Congratulations! If you're here watching this video, it just tells me that you're ready to take control of your own income, schedule, physical location. You're ready to live life on your own terms. So my friend, grab a pen and a notebook because we are going to discuss the few questions you need to have in place before you start your affiliate marketing journey. Hi, Vanessa here and welcome to my channel where you don't only learn how to make money online, but how to build digital estate so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. I couldn't be happier for you for taking the time to narrow down your affiliate marketing business plan. Because like anything in life, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Which means that you want to start your online business with the end in mind. You don't want to just go out there creating content with no purpose. You won't be able to accelerate the process and make money online fast if you don't have a good clarity of the what and why you are starting your affiliate marketing business. It's like if you don't know where you're going, how do you know when you get there? I always thinking how I can help you to shorten your learning curve. I create the Affiliate Marketing Business Plan Questionnaire to speed up the process of refining your reasons so you can make money online with affiliate marketing business model. It's what you want, right? With that being said, there are 6 areas that we want to get clarity in order to build a great online business foundation. And they are purpose, audience, value proposition, content strategy, market positioning, and business messaging. The goal here is to create a clear plan for your affiliate marketing business to keep you on track. So let's start from the beginning. What's your why? What's the purpose of your online business? Who do you want to impact? What do you want to accomplish for yourself? What are the reasons to start your online business? And I'm not only talking about the reasons for having a business, but the reasons for putting the work. Keep in mind the reasons come before results and be aware that you're going to face some challenge. And if you don't have strong reasons, my friend, you might give up on the first bump. So do yourself a favor, stop this video just for a second and comment below what are the reasons that are going to help you to go through the challenge. The clearer you are about who your audience is, easier it will be for you to find where they are hanging out online, to connect with them, and to create your personal brand around their needs and desires. So ask yourself, are you targeting only female, male, both? How old are they? What do they like? When you know who they are, how can they relate with you? Even if you believe that everybody could be your client, believe me, my friend, you won't be able to target everyone. And if you're liking this video so far, please smash the like button. What are you promising to your target audience? Then build your personal brand, your content all around this one thing. For example, I'm promised to help you to start your affiliate marketing business and start making money online. However, money is just a tool. What's important here is what money can bring to you. So when I say that I want to help you to build digital estate so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle, it's because everybody has their own priorities, things that make them happy. For some people, it might be spend more quality time with family, perhaps buying your dream house, your dream car, traveling the world. Maybe for you, your value proposition is to help people to lose weight or help them to manage their money. What do you want to do for people? What is the impact you want to create? Understand that people are driven by a deeper meaning. When people buy a dishwasher machine, for example, it's not for the sake of having a dishwasher in the house, but it's because they are tired of washing dishes by hand. They much rather to spend time with their dog, sleeping, watching a movie. As you can see, people buy things thinking of the outcome it will bring for them. One thing that I learned from my mentor is that we don't only sell products, but the transformation the products bring to people. So you want to refine your proposition to attach it to an emotional core of your audience. As an affiliate marketer, your daily income producing activities will be all around learning and creating content in the niche for the audience that you picked. So anything you do, it's always think about what your audience wants. A big tip here, using and abuse of keywords tools before creating content that people are not looking for. Don't waste your time. What type of content are you creating? It could be mini documentaries, interviews, tips, answer specific questions. People love to search for product reviews, best X for Y, X versus Y, how to, tutorial, demos, top X. How often are you publishing, going live? What's the structure of the content? For example, when I'm making videos, I follow this format: thumbnail, hook, intro, content, offer, call to action, and outro. You want to be sustainable so people know what to expect. How can you stand out? I mean, why fit in if you're born to stand out? Here you can think about music choice, style, think about giving some distinct look for your brand. Here's the thing, don't try to be somebody else. The world does not need another Russell Brunson. The world needs you. It's not about being the best, but being different. Be yourself. Viewers want to see real people. Even if you're bringing the same topic, just put your little touch in there. Your message will attract your tribe. I hope you understood why it's so important to niche down your audience, because this way you can tailor your content to the specific tribe, which will make your message more powerful. Talking about Russell Brunson, have you taken the One Funnel Away challenge yet? No! What are you waiting for? This challenge taught me the whole online business ground foundation with the online marketing Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson. It should be your first step. You can find the link for the challenge after you grab your free affiliate marketing business plan questionnaire in the description. Here I want you to pay attention on your visual and positioning messages. When it comes to visual, think about your logo, colors, style, fonts. You don't want to be all over the place. It doesn't have to be too fancy, but it has to be consistent so your audience can identify your brand when they see it. So go check out your favorite brands, pick elements you like, combine these things and come up with your own visual. Positioning is the way that you present yourself when writing, recording videos. What is the unique vibe to you? Do you have a unique phrase that you like to say to become your tagline? If so, comment below. I would love to get to know you. Things like your website domain, your social media username. The goal is to have all aligned. Not a name for your YouTube channel and then a different name for your blog. What are the main topics you're going to be talking about? My mentor says that eventually we're gonna get tired of repeating the same stories, repeating the same points, overstating our mission. But the thing is that your audience needs to be sure that you are consistent with your message to take you seriously. Keep repeating what you do, what your business is about, why it matters for you. Give them a reason to watch and follow you. The good thing about this is that you just get better at your message. More you talk about something, easier it gets to express yourself. And don't be afraid to share your beliefs and show who you are. You want to attract your tribe, people you can relate and help. So where are you going? Where are you taking people? How are you helping, serving them? When they know where you are going, they can follow you. Get it? And just to wrap up this video, keep in mind that this is an ongoing thing. It may take you weeks, months, even years to figure out these questions. And you'll probably change your answers over time as you improve and grow your business. But you need to start. Remember, you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. Ready to start? Make sure to print out the Affiliate Marketing Business Plan for Beginners questionnaire to brainstorm your online business today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. I'll personally get back to you. Because my goal is to help you succeed in this new digital economy. Vanessa here, and I'll see you in my next video.